Is it really? Give me. Not the noise in the background. It's raining. July and rain, you already know. This is the channel you need to stick to this 2025. Okay? Just you should consider subscribing. Why not hit the bell there and the subscribe button there so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Without further ado, let's just get rolling. You're happy you go to school September? Yes. Also, no, mommy, I want to go to school.
September.
You go with mama. You carry your lunch bag. You carry your school bag. And what again? Water bottle.
Lunch bag.
Water bottle.
Bottle.
And what again? Lunch bag. Juice.
Biscuits. Biscuit. Nanya blue. Oh.
And what again? Where are you going to?
I'm going to go and make my hair for my graduation.
Are you graduating?
Thursday.
Is it Thursday or Wednesday?
Yes. Thursday.
Thursday or Wednesday?
Wednesday 16.
So it's Wednesday. It's Wednesday.
It's 17th.
You said it's 16th, so which one? So let's see your outfit. What are you wearing on your leg?
My Crocs.
And
Jeans.
and what again?
Clothes.
And your top. Your pink top. So, alright. See you later. Bye.
Bye.
Turn on, man.
I only have a two manager.
What day is it?
7,000
7,000 and do what? Yeah. Which loan?
For this thing, 7,000, short hair, 7,000.
You make when they didn't use edge control in here. So turn on.
I'm a competitive person, but I also like to
Maybe so that should go.
Turn on.
slow you down. Yet,
Your hair is fine now.
Yeah.
so
Your hair is fine now.
another 5 years with you guys.
I said thank you.
Take me back.
Who's that picture? It's your own.
Take me back to that time. One good friend was in my life. California seems so far.
You want me? Okay, boy. You put the hot puff in your mouth.
I wanted to say I want to.
I made my best single. Came out and felt so great. I begin